Hello everyone. So it's been a while since I've worked on the AW11. I think the last time I touched it was November 2019, and that's when I dropped the original 4AGE engine. And then since then it's just been kind of sitting. I got distracted by other projects and other stuff, other things. But finally, I'm gonna get back to work on it. So let's take a look at how the MR2 as it is right now. So here it is. We got even more clear coat peeling off, and actually did kind of spray down yesterday. There was a lot of like grass growing everywhere and stuff, but yeah, it's really dirty, like really dirty. All the stuff is just building up. So still no engine in there. Might have noticed on the stock wheels right now, because I didn't want the race tires to, get bad from sitting there. But yeah, it's pretty much, I haven't touched this car at all for a couple months. I have been throwing a whole bunch of random parts in here. This is like my storage car. Let's take a look on the other side. So yeah, that's how the MR2 looks right now, and honestly it's kind of an eyesore to look at this thing with the clear coat all peeling off and with it being so dirty and stuff. So for this summer I'm gonna be repainting the MR2, and that's mainly because it's summer, so the weather's warm, the paint will cure correctly, whereas the winter is just, it's too cold. And I'll be saving the winter for engine work on the MR2. So here's another look at it again. So all this stuff's gonna get resprayed, except for the engine bay, because obviously I still gotta do some work in here, and I don't want to have this thing painted to have to, hammer something in or weld something or whatever. So that'll be staying for now. So a few things I won't be repainting. I'm not going to be painting the engine lid because I have a new one. The hood, I'm also not going to be repainting it because I'm going to get another one. But everything else will be painted. Now surprisingly, the MR2 is pretty straight. Got a little ding here in the fender. Other than that, the fender is straight. This door is straight. Side skirt's good. Quarter panel's good. I do have a replacement gas cap because someone welded something right here and that rusted out and kind of warped it. Trunk spoiler's good. Rear bumper's good. Right rear quarter panel's good. This is good. Door's good. And that fender is also good. But this side skirt has a little bit of damage here. I could probably fix that, but I have a replacement just in case. Other than that, it's good. Yeah, this car is straight. Just a lot of clear coat peel. I don't understand why this is such a clean line. But anyways, I guess we can get started in sanding some parts. So these are the replacement parts that I have. Pulled this out of a junkyard MR2. So I got the two headlight covers. Those are straight. Same in the gas cap and this bumper. Now you can see that my headlight cover is kind of dented. I don't really want to fix that. So it would be easier just to buy a straight part. As for the bumper, it's got like some cracks there. That's kind of hard to fix. Also don't want to deal with that. And yeah, some of you guys might have noticed that this is a 1986 bumper. Same as this, but my car's a 1989. I actually prefer the earlier style bumper because it's flat. The later models have a slant to it, and to me that looks kind of funny. Alright, now let's start sanding this stuff down. So to sand all this stuff down, I'm using a orbital sander. I think this is a 6-inch or something. And then I got 320 grit sandpaper. Yeah. So I got this one already sanded down, and this one has not been sanded down. Now you can see the difference between the two. This one has no gloss to it, but this one does. So I'm trying to get all the gloss out, make it smooth, and then I guess it'll be ready for primer. What are we listening to?
Good stuff.
Okay, so I finished sanding down all this stuff.
Good job.
That's done. Headlight cover's done. All that's done. So now I'm actually going to start more of the front end. So I'm going to take off the fenders, the lip, and the side skirts. And I was already working on that. But then what's going to happen? My side skirt broke in half.
Quick release.
But I already knew that was going to happen because I have a good replacement.
Wow.
See, I'm prepared.
Okay.
So I'm just going to work on getting all this stuff off. Then
Fitment.
yeah, good fitment.
Well, it's crap that. Oh, that's just grass, I guess.
Yeah, it's all grass. This thing's been kind of sitting in a field, basically. A lot of spider webs too. I'm kind of scared about taking it apart.
Yeah, big ass spiders gonna come out and beat you up. Okay.
Right,
So you're painting mirrors too.
maybe.
Painting flares too.
I don't know yet.
I think you should.
We'll see once everything's done.
We can do one side. Right?
No, I'll leave the flares as it is for now.
What?
And once everything's painted, then we can see how it looks with the black.
Almost there?
Almost.
Look how big this lip is. It's all just empty space. Look. We'll add like a foot or less to here. So this would be like out to here with the lip.
Dude, it makes it look so much more aggressive.
Jeez.
Oh yeah, like my sweet brackets.
GDM.
Okay, so that is one side done. Wow, look at that open wheel race car. Okay, so now let's get this other side all taken apart, and then we are ready to start sanding again. Yay. Okay, that is the last part of the front end that I'm going to be pulling off. So there it is. Whole front end's apart. Obviously I'm not using this bumper, and like I said before, I'm not going to be using this hood. Alright, so here are all the parts laid out. At least all the parts that I'll be working on for now. So this is the replacement side skirt that I broke earlier. That's the other side, still good. The end parts of the side skirts, wood sport front lip, the front valence, fenders, and then these headlight covers, gas cap, and a front bumper. So this is basically the whole front end. gonna be working on sanding all the stuff down. Now luckily all these parts are straight, so I don't have to do much body work at all, except for this little part right there. It's got a nice dent. So I'll be ending the video there. So basically I'm painting the whole front end first, and then I'll be doing the doors, then move on to the rear end, do these side panels, trunk, wing, rear bumper, and then the main body. Now I would paint everything at the same time, but I just don't really have the room for that. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing it in stages. So I know a lot of you guys have been looking forward to this AW11 content, but now the reason why there hasn't been any lately is because I've been distracted with other projects. But I'm finally all caught up and I'm able to work on this again. So hopefully you guys are excited about that, because I am. So yeah, next video, I'm gonna be sanding this down, fixing any dents that there are, and then laying down a primer along with all these other parts too and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video there. I'm gonna give you guys one last look at the MR2 before I close out this video. Bye.